Cryptocurrency analytics for algorithmic trading. Cryptocurrency is also known as token or coin. These are listed in exchanges. The analytics is developed well and now advanced to such a level that can be achieved through application of artificial intelligence. We need to use the data science. Analytics covers mainly three aspects like valuation, data exploration, and prediction. The concept and the technique like crypto economics, valuation models, machine learning, deep learning are well established and effective now. First, to begin with these things, we need data. So we need to fetch data from exchanges. There are a number of exchanges and more than 3000 type of tokens are listed in those exchanges. So we cannot use all those tokens. We need to filter, we need to screen the useful tokens. So we use data exploration to know which exchanges and tokens are tradable and suitable for strategies. After sorting out the exchanges, we start with API. Those APIs are available from exchanges. The coding or programming is helpful to clean and wrangling of data to get inferences. Coding or programming is required but not must because programmers are available. Programmers are available to hire, but key things that we need to learn how to build strategies. And to build strategies, we need to know different techniques, how to use data. Here we are using the Python for analytics, and different packages are needed to import for data exploration. Instead of Python, other programming languages are available like C++. Here we are using the scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras. Those are very much useful for machine learning and deep learning. Another way of applying artificial intelligence is reinforcement learning. So we can sum up the three ways we can use to get the predictive value of price is like application of machine learning, deep learning, and reinforcement learning. So all these strategies are developed using the data exploration and application of techniques. But we should be very much careful of accuracy of those strategies, and we should validate those strategies before deploying in the market. Lastly, price of coins has increased slowly and steadily till 2018 that we have observed, and the price has reached a peak level during that time, but later plunged into drag of quarter level of that high price or the peak price. So volatility and drawdown are prevalent in this market. So there are few terms in terms of financial or quantitative finance. We need to learn those things, and along with that few statistical terms. Those are very much useful for analytics, and those should be used before valuation.